Hi everyone, I'm Linda. Welcome to Simoto Channels. Nice to see you. And today I'm going to bring a phone holder to use. This is the package. And about the package, you can see here. You can see it can install in the dashboard, sun washers, and the rearview mirrors. It is very convenient, right? And it not only used in cars, you can also use it in homes. Okay, let's go ahead and take the phone holder. And then we got the phone holder. Well, today I want to introduce your phone holder because I think we need a phone holder to put our phone in here and to see the navigations, because sometimes just like me, I will looking down all the time to see the navigations, so it is unsafe for me. So I recommend this phone holder to you. You just slide your phone here and then put this in the dashboard so that you can look straight and you don't need to looking down and looking up to see the navigation. Okay, let's take a close look at this phone holder. You can see this phrase. It is very strong, pretty hard. So when you pry open and put it there, such as a dashboard, it can pull the dash nicely and it comes hardly like this. So that wherever you put it on, it can hold it firmly. Okay. Secondly, we can take a look at this phrase. You can see this phrase can be adjustable, and you can pivot side to side like this. You can pivot this phone holder side to side, and then it can rotate like this. And finally, I will show you how to extend your phone holder. You see this here has a button. You just click this button and then slide your phone in here. It can hold your phone firmly, just like this. Put your phone, slide in here, and then it can hold your phone firmly. You can adjust to the landscape views or the portrait views. It is very convenient to use. Overall, I feel this is a pretty good product. So if you like this video or this phone holder, could you give me a thumbs up?